Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another weekly roll-up here Friday, July 8th. Hope everyone had an awesome 4th of July. MarketCap right now sitting just about $1 trillion. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 42%, while ETH is coming in at just under 15%. Big moves in the market this week. Everything is up over the last 7 days. Bitcoin up 11.3. Ethereum up 16.7. Top gainers over the week, MakerDao with an awesome uptick. Aave coming in at 28.6. Polygon 25.3. Cosmos. A lot of good coins. A lot of good tokens. A lot of good applications up this week, which is good news. MakerDao is a native stablecoin and DAI, making headlines this week as a new proposal from a U.S. Bank, Huntington Valley Bank, has requested access to a debt ceiling of $100 million, which will later be raised to $1 billion by using DAI. DAI is a decentralized stablecoin backed by ETH. This loan will help the bank grow its existing and new businesses. The access to liquidity in DAI will help the sale of participation interest in the underlying loans. Pretty historic that traditional finance is going into Defi, setting a pathway for future partnerships between the current financing system and DeFi. Opportunities are wholesale lending, scale, alignments, and turnkey solution. If approved, the agreement between the DeFi protocol and the U.S. Bank would forge a new chapter in history and send a signal into institutional counterparties of what it has yet to come. This deal will represent the first large-scale participation between the regulated U.S. Bank and DeFi. MakerDao, if you guys aren't aware, is the native stablecoin. This is a little video on it.
We use technology to make better tools, products, services, you name it. But what if we use it to make money universal and open to use for anyone, anytime, anywhere? Meet DAI, better, smarter currency. DAI is just cash. You can spend it, transfer it, or save it. But unlike traditional currencies, it's unbiased. No single institution controls its value, and unlike its fellow digital currencies, it's stable. Don't experience the volatility of other cryptocurrencies. With DAI, you get the best of both worlds. Anyone can generate DAI when they put up assets to back it. And you can also earn the DAI savings rate. The future of a better, smarter currency is now. Start using DAI today and get financial freedom.
If you guys want to do your own research on it, remember you guys can always go and check out everything and make sure you guys are doing your own research. Maker. If you guys want access to the website legitly, you can always go here and do your own research. Going back, Mt. Gox. Now, Mt. Gox is now an extinct exchange. They were really big back in like 2013, or from the early 2000s up until 2014 when it went under. But victims of the now extinct exchange, Mt. Gox, are now eligible to receive compensation in Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin Cash. At one point, back in late 2013, 2014, Mt. Gox was handling over 70% of all the Bitcoin transactions worldwide. It imploded when revelations of its involvement in the loss or theft of hundreds of thousands of Bitcoins worth hundreds of millions of dollars back then. A lot of shady stuff happened, and ultimately the company filed for bankruptcy. Now repayments are available that could make up to 141,686 Bitcoin fully liquid again. What that could do to the market in the short term is anyone's guess. We could see a rush to sell those Bitcoin from investors looking to recoup some of the funds they lost all those years ago. There are also talks about setting up like a trust and not allowing all those Bitcoin to be sold at once and letting it level out from like weeks and months at a time. Solana, we're always talking about Solana, I guess, at this point. Coming out with smartphones, protocol shut down. This week, Solana has been hit with a class action lawsuit in the state of California. The lawsuit alleges that Sol is an unregistered security and that the company has spent vast sums of money promoting Sol. At this point, it's easy UI design. It's a good interface, low transactions, high speed. The NFT marketplace is crushing it with the Eden and all that. But as far as long-term vision, it's always in the news, guys. So you guys do what you'd like. We research. More downfall from the Luna collapse. This time, the new victim is Voyager Digital, which is a publicly traded company on the New York Stock Exchange. It offers users commission-free trading on its crypto. Also has Voyager debit card. Spend like cash, you get 9% rewards. You got different tiers. No annual fee. Yeah, and well, it doesn't really matter, I guess, right now, right? It lent out around $650 million to Three Arrows Capital. Three Arrows Capital has been in the news for the last couple of weeks, defaulting on hundreds of millions of dollars in loans following the Luna collapse. Voyager has, at this time, suspended or paused all customer trading, deposits, and withdrawals. Popular social media app Reddit making news this week. It is launching NFT, or collectible avatars, as they're calling it, on Polygon. Polygon is an L2 on Ethereum. Artists of these will be getting royalties, a 50-50 split on secondary sales with Reddit. This is some great news coming out of the bear cycle. Reddit has 430 million active users. Imagine the adoption with all that influx of users. Apart from being NFTs, the new avatars will differ from existing Reddit avatars in that they will only be available to purchase through the new dedicated storefront, and will give purchasers licensing rights to use them both on and off Reddit. The new NFTs will be hosted on Polygon. Reddit noted that the Ethereum-compatible blockchain's low fees and sustainability commitments factored into the decision to choose Polygon over other chains for its new NFTs. An official announcement stated, Reddit has always been a model for what the decentralization could look like online. Our communities are self-built and run, and as part of our mission to better empower our communities, we are exploring tools to help them be even more self-sustaining and self-governed. This is just the latest news surrounding NFTs, as Twitter and Instagram have also said they are allowing users to use the NFTs on their platform. Last bit of news, guys, before we leave you. Robinhood, we talked about them last week, how they added some new tokens that users could buy. This week they doubled down and are now letting users have their own, wallets, right? It has to be wallets, giving them the ability to receive and send crypto. This could be bullish because Robinhood has a ton of active young users in their platform. This week, friends, we'll be releasing several short videos over the next week going over different apps, ecosystems, news, etc. Trying to come out with some new stuff to better engage with you guys and have you caught up to date with new exciting stuff. Again, this channel is to educate the viewer, not to spew out price predictions or pretend like I know where the market is going. Right now is a great time to get into the market. If you don't have a lot of money, that's totally fine. You can dollar cost average with as little as a few bucks. Have any questions or want to learn more about a certain topic, feel free to drop a comment in the section below. If you like the weekly update, go ahead and like the video. Until the next time, guys, success and nothing less. Sponsor for the video, All Mine Law. Most people want to get into crypto mining but don't know where to start. All My Law is a company specialized in crypto miners and mining services. Their goal is to make crypto mining more accessible to the average consumer by providing an online shop with the newest miners that can be shipped right to your door. They also provide a hosting service if you want to get into crypto mining scene without having to spend hours on how to actually set one up. This will cover setup, housing, and maintenance, and will get you mining quickly without so much hassle. If you'd like to check them out and get more details on what they do, or just want to check out the selection of miners they have, the link to their website is in the description below. You can also reach out to them on most social media platforms or schedule a call. Those will also be in the description below. Thank you again, All My Law.